You're the author of knowledge, the beginning and the end. Mighty strong tower, where the righteous are safe. I cannot be shaken when I'm under your wings. I can never be tired of proclaiming your name. You're the author of knowledge, the beginning and the end. The power at work in me.
It goes without saying that education has a positive effect on human life. It is essential for everyone. It is the level of education that helps people earn respect and recognition. It is an indispensable part of life, both personally and socially. Education is a very vital tool that is used in the contemporary world to succeed. It is important because it is used to mitigate most of the challenges faced in life. Experts are of the view that the knowledge that is attained through education helps open doors to a lot of opportunities for better prospects and career growth. Not only can we become a better nation by acquiring the skills necessary to be productive members of a civilized society, rather, increased knowledge to actively achieve and meet challenges that can produce changes in which are productive for attaining business innovations, political and economic objectives.
Okay, this morning what we have is civic education. You divide the both sides, the coefficient of y. Make sure I write all these things I'm writing here.
Being aware of all these advantages of education and knowing that in areas where people are not able to receive appropriate education, life cannot be as thriving and prosperous as locations where there is a high standard for education, Igboukwu Foundation rose up to the responsibility in Agwata local government area of Anambra State through academic awards.
Left, right.
It is on record that the patriot and great lover of children and youth, Chief Bat Emeka Nwibe, will go Igboukwu in search of what could be done to make the village kids in Igboukwu take their schoolwork seriously and strongly focused, introduced an academic competition which marked the conception and the subsequent birth of Igboukwu Foundation in 2004. Then, under the name of St. Joseph's Academic Award, it started first with the 24 primary schools in Igboukwu and was an event every primary school child in Igboukwu was looking forward to each year.
Honestly speaking, I'm very, very grateful. I'm so happy. I never expected this.
This thing do but make me buy. Like when I enter university now, I'll be using it for research works, so I can do my project effectively.
Well, I'm obviously excited because I know that I worked hard for it, so I'm very obviously excited. I hope to do more better in the future. That's what I can hope for.
Seeing that the competition and the awards were succeeding in directing the attention of primary school pupils in the town to their schoolwork, secondary and tertiary students were later included in the competition.
I'm grateful to the founder of the board of the foundation. The gifts is very much invaluable to me, considering my level of education. The tertiary education is not one you can embark on without such. So it will, in a very wonderful way, assist me. There are so a lot to assess. The net is there, more PDF files and stuff like that, more packages online and such things like that. So I'm very happy with stuff.
As a man who believes in the words of Albert Pike, that what we do for ourselves die in us, but what we do for others and the world remains and is immortal, Igboukwu Foundation continued to wax strong. Encouraged by the result at Igboukwu in 2005, the program was reorganized and packaged for the youth of the entire Agwata local government with the new name Igboukwu Foundation UIF. "13 years down the line, the foundation rolled out drums to celebrate its 13th anniversary and 2016-2017 academic award on Saturday, 28th of October 2017 at the Central School Field, Igboukwu. The historic 2017 Academic Awards Day began with special appreciation and thanksgiving to God through prayers.
Ndị niile hapụrụ ihe nke ha kwesịrị ime wee bịa ka ha nọdụ ma kwado nwanne anyị nwoke iji wee tie ya aka n'obi wee sị ya jide ka o ji na ihe ọ na-eme na-atọ onye ọbụla ụtọ. Anyị wee na-ekenekwazi gị n'isi ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị ndị na-agba mbọ n'ụzọ dị iche iche wee nwee ike na-egosipụta ọgụgụ isi nke Chineke ji wee chọọ ha mma, ka ndị nọ na praịmarị, ndị nọ na sekọndịrị, ndị nọ na teshịarị. Anyị wee na-ekene gị maka ihe ọma niile anyị ji wee chọọ anyị mma.
Nwa anyị nwoke bụ Ugo Igboukwu ọkọnatalụ anyị niile ka anyị bụrụ osi ala na ihe nke ọ na-eme kwa afọ site n'inyere ndị na-eje akwụkwọ aka. Anyị na-asọ ọ ga-adịrị ya mma n'aha Jizọs. Chineke mezuola anyị ebumnobi anyị. Ọjị a ka anyị taa ka ọ dị anyị ma n'ihi Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị.
This was followed by Chairman's opening remarks. Professor Orajiaka, who was represented by Honorable Godwin Ezenwaka, noted that providing access to education through scholarships is increasingly important.
Chairman of the foundation, Adio Yayangulana. Also, no Matai, Neluzu Kobogu, Nelu Wainanse, Nehu, Makai, Neguavia, the words in Kenagua. Owe gbata ọsọ enyemaka site n'ịkpọchi ya ụmụaka ịgwa ha na ọ dị mkpa ịrụsi ọrụ ike, na ọ dị mkpa ịgba mbọ. Ihe na-ewu kịta nwe ya arụ rie akpụkọ ezigo ụmụazị akwụkwọ ha nwere ike ịdị 200 bido JS1 olu na SS3 ha gbapụsị ejere Magic Center ebe a na-apasị akwụkwọ na-ata ha afụfụ, ebe ọ ga-anwụ ruo edere ha. Ọya ka chairman nechara anya gwa ha na ihe ka mkpa ahụ certificate kama ọ gịnị ka ị mụtara ka ị gụchara akwụkwọ.
Appreciating the founder for exhibiting that the words of the great scholar Henry Wadsworth, the life of a man consists not in seeing visions and in dreaming dreams, but in active charity and in willing service.
And I commend that this rescue mission, Ibia rescue mission. Here I could direct her. Kahaso was all Gawa, so her money had a leg. Yaribo not a told that chapel. Onye go akwụkwọ gụta ya ọfụma na nwatakịrị ihe ụtọ azụrụ ọfụma ga-abara obodo uru, bara onwe ya uru, bara famili uru. Chineke ga-agọzi unu, gọzikwa onye na-ewetanu. Ọkwa na ụdị mmadụ iwu ndị kwesịrị ihe ọchịchị ka ama m ihe a ga-emezi na the whole state na federation. However, whatever that happens, I will advise you to look up to Abraham Lincoln, former president of America. Ihe ọ chụrụ ihe a ugboro ite naanị. Eventually and finally he became the president of the United States of America. And he was one of the best. So it's not yet your time. And I pray you will get there. So that when you get there, you replicate what this thing you are doing now is either all over the states or all over the federation. That is my prayer on your head in Jesus' name.
The board chairman, Dr. Gabe Mba, who was represented by Nze Geoffrey Omokwanna, noted that providing access to education through scholarships is increasingly important as you assist students in realizing their dreams and reaching their fullest potentials. He stated that when one is recognized for his accomplishments, it gives him the confidence to pursue other goals. He commended Chief Batumwebe for his act of charity and advised his students to recognize their own potential early in their academic career so that they foster growth.
Our target is not just the students. We are, as it should be, equally interested in the welfare and comfort of the personality builders, the teachers. In spite of all odds, we have this year tried to identify with the secondary school teachers and principals in Agwata Zone by donating